People tend to throw the term theory a lot in discussions and often label scientific theories as just theories, not facts. And this is supposed to somehow diminish the theory's merit. But in fact, developing a theory is a very desirable achievement in the scientific community. So let's get straight here. What is a fact and how is it related to a theory? Facts are mere observations about the world we live in, nothing more. Many sets of facts like day-night cycle have existed before we came to the world and will remain for long after we are gone. So scientific work does not produce facts. Facts already exist. Science actually starts with observing facts and end up with producing theories. Think of Isaac Newton's journey with gravity. It started with him observing the fact that apples fall to the ground and ended up with the Newtonian theory of gravitation. So, what is a theory? A theory is a well-substantiated explanation of a fact that reflects our species' understanding of why an observed fact is the way it is and how it can be predicted to occur in the future. So, how do we get from facts to theories? We do so through the use of the scientific method explained in the previous class. Take rainfall, for example. It is a fact that it rains once in a while, right? Scientists observing rainfall will wonder why rain falls, and will then come up with a different set of testable explanations, which we refer to as hypotheses. These hypotheses are then put to the test to determine their merit. We scratch off the ones that did not pass the test, and the ones that did are grouped into a theory. So developing a theory is what you aspire to achieve as a scientist, not just discovering facts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this content useful, check my full course on Skillshare where you will get a full month premium subscription for free.